Being the wife, parishioner, and employee of such a brilliant thinker does come with its share of challenges. But what I can appreciate about this man is that he is dedicated to helping other people learn what he's learned. He's dedicated to helping leaders learn really how to lead. He is such a progressively minded thinker and person that sometimes his ideas can seem a little far out there. But when time catches up to his ideas and his concepts and his teachings, people are floored. People are blown away by what they learn from him. He is simply gifted to lead people or to teach people how to lead. There's a question about whether leaders are born or are they made. All I can say is that this man is gifted to make people learn how to be leaders, learn how to lead. If you have an opportunity to attend Lead Out like I did last year, you gotta take it. Can't afford to miss it. Lead Out.
Working with a large group of people can be challenging. I was struggling to effectively communicate with my team. That is, until I took the Lead Out seminar. Lead Out taught me how to communicate with my team better and to motivate them to achieve the results that we were looking for. So if you have the chance, if you make the right choice, then you'll come to Lead Out and you'll take your career, your personal life, all of it to a whole new level. Lead Out.
Lead Out was an incredible experience, and not to mention very timely. My parents had just purchased the company that I had been working for the last 10 years. So now we're business owners, workers, and co-workers. Lead Out equipped me with all the tools I needed to be effective in each one of these arenas. There's no way that we would have been successful if it weren't for this seminar. I know now how to influence, motivate, and be authentic on all levels. Because of Lead Out, my company is successful today. Lead Out.
I'm a global credit and collection manager of a $2 billion company who was frustrated that my department had created little silos within. Each region within my department was operating by itself. They had their own policies, their own procedures, and nothing I tried after 2 solid years worked. I heard about Lead Out. I came hoping to gain some understanding or some tools that would help me break these silos within my department. I was able to learn that through the power of influence, I could actually change what was occurring. I brought my managers over because I was so impressed with the training so that they too could understand what I had learned. Together, we were able to go back, break the silos, and we are now operating as one team with one goal and one vision. Lead Out.
Como un empresario joven, encontré que estaba bien difícil tratando de empezar mi negocio. Abrí un taller mecánico y miré que yo hice un montón de errores cuando empecé. No podía encontrar clientes y no podía encontrar dinero. Pero gracias a la conferencia de Lead Out, porque me dieron la herramienta para cambiar mi negocio y me cambiaron a mí. So thank you, Dr. Moody. Thank you, Dr. Osula, for you have revolutionized the way that I do business. Lead Out.